just wanted to record a quick video on my Blender workflow. And before I delete this default cube, I wanted to show you the scaling for my Benchy. And you can see the Blender cube's quite small. Well, when you're working in Blender, it's made for like world building, big, huge models, so I wouldn't worry about it. There's all kinds of scaling features if needed, but I'm just plugging away. So I'm going to delete this cube. If you've never used Blender, you could use this transform up here and you can move around your model. If you click the Z, that's the top view, and you can click it again, get the bottom view. So if you're doing a side model, you'd want to insert your picture directly from one of these transforms. So you'd drag it in here and scale it. I'm using this top view. I'm just going to drag an image in, and you can see it's quite small. All you have to do is click S and scale it up. And then you could come up here and kind of move it around. Now I know that my inner circles are the same, so we could also rotate it 180. And then I can try to get it into place. Okay, so I know that looks a little weird and not perfect, but what I did is I matched the inner circle. And you can see how the TF Luna fits right inside this Benchy. And that's what the picture was like. So you could really just delete the Benchy at this point since we have the scale of the image right. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this inner circle to build my platform. So I'm going to click Tab on the Benchy. I'm going to click 2, grab the edges. I'm going to click on an edge, and then I'm going to click Alt and click on that edge again. And it should select all the way around the circle. I'm going to Shift D, which is duplicate, and then I'm going to click the right arrow. I'm going to come down here to separate, and I'm going to separate by selection. I'm going to click Tab to exit edit mode. I'm going to go ahead and delete that first base, click on that second base, click Tab, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to Face and Grid Fill. Let's click the Z, make sure you click A and make sure you have the whole model, click R, and try to get that centered. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but it should look like a grid. Click Z, click wireframe, click something. Click 3, and now let's go ahead and click C, and now we can grab some faces and make an outline. Now this first pass doesn't have to be perfect, we could kind of just scale it out. Now what we want to do is right click, delete faces. Click A, click Z, click solid. Click E, and then we can drag that up a bit. Now what I did is I accidentally deleted the full edge here. So what we could do is click here, and we have bridge faces. Click here, here, bridge faces. We could click on these two interfaces, click Z, click bounding box center, let's see, scale X. See, then we can control that a bit. Let's go ahead and click A, let's click mesh, let's click clean up, and split concave faces. That's kind of for 3D printing. Let's do one more, mesh, clean up. Let's do split non-planar faces. Okay, so we look good. Okay, one more, mesh, normals, recalculate outside. Now that's also for modeling or 3D printing. So we just kind of recalculated the outside of this mesh. Now I know this isn't going to be 100% perfect, but it'll give me an idea of how much further I need to go. And then I could smooth it out. I wanted to make this kind of quick and kind of give you an example. Hope you liked it.